Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing this Pillsbury pull-apart kit garlic bread variety. We've got everything that we need assembled here. First off, you will need your pull-apart kit. Then you're going to need a pan, an 8-inch square or a 9-inch square or round pan. I'm going to be using a 9-inch round pan. Then you're going to need a bowl to mix things up in. This is optional, but I feel like it's going to make it turn out a little bit better. Then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, some nonstick cooking spray or butter, whatever you would like to grease your pan with, and then 3/4 of a cup of shredded cheese, whatever variety you would like to use, and then just a spoon to mix everything up with. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're just going to go ahead and grease our pan. Next up, we're going to go ahead and open up our box and take everything out. So we've got here our sauce packet and our dough. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix everything up in my bowl. They recommend that you can also do it in the pan, but I feel like that's going to disturb our layer of nonstick cooking spray, so I don't want to do that. I'm going to go ahead and mix my sauce and my butter in our bowl. Now we're going to set that aside and open up our dough. Now that we've got our dough packet out here, we're just going to unroll it, and we see all of these little perforations here with little squares of dough. We're just going to take all of those apart and then stick them into our bowl. Now that we've got those in there, we're just going to stir this up really well to coat all of our dough pieces. Next, we're just going to stir in our 3/4 of a cup of shredded cheese and stir it really well. Now that we've got that all mixed up, we just need to pop it into our pan. Now you could definitely just dump your bowl out into your pan, but I'm just going to go ahead and put them in there with my hands so that way I can make the placement a little bit better and more even. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, now our dough is ready to go into the oven. If you are using an 8-inch pan, you're going to want to do this for 21 to 25 minutes. But if you're using the 9-inch, we're going to do 19 to 23 minutes. So I'll come back and let you know exactly how long it took in my oven. All right, guys, it has been exactly 21 minutes in the oven. I tested the center and a little bit around with a toothpick. I didn't meet any resistance and it came out clean. So we're going to call these done. Here is our completed pull-apart garlic bread. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, where we're going to give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you next time. Bye! Alright guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5-Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.